I'm gonna do this little control board. Actually, yeah.
Is it turned on?
Yeah. Actually, let's do the capacitor first.
Can't see very much. It's turning on.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man.
Don't touch it.
I know.
Look at the
Dang, it has a. No, wait a minute. Let's try it. Let's try to put it on a little longer. Just leave it on. Just leave it on.
Yeah,
It's dead.
it's Dunsky. I'm probably just gonna smoke real bad. That little control board in there.
Oh. I don't think that's good. Oh wait, it's still going.
No, wait.
Oh crap, man.
It looks like freaking fireworks. Don't touch the tripod.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Hey, we'll put that thing back in later.
Light bulb.
Oh man, isn't it broken?
Science rules.
Holy crap! See all that in there?
Don't mess with the power level. I'm surprised it's going for this long.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god.
Because typically in the videos I've seen, they turn off a lot quicker.
Oh, that thing's hot. You want to just leave it in there until it burns out?
Do just a bit longer. It looks like there's a fire going on the inside of the fixture. Oh yes, there is.
Just remove the. It's gonna break. It's gonna break.
I don't think. Oh yeah, it broke, but it for some reason now that it's not pressurized. I'll pick that up later and we'll put it in the garbage can. I'm gonna put this little disc in here.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
I saw like a little flame, but it's not that much.
Oh, I hear a pop. I hear pop. Is that a bee? It's smoking. Let's see. Let's try it.
This is next. It's too boring. You can do that later.
Yeah, we'll do that at the end of the video.
Ooh, did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
Damn. There's
Yeah.
oh, capacitor pop.
Oh,
it's on
crap.
fire.
Just let it burn. Oh, things are popping.
Open it. Oh dear.
Dude.
Don't touch anything. Wait, we'll throw
Just throw the batteries in there. Wait a minute. Let's
throw battery in there.
throw these in there.
How are we doing this?
It's not gonna do anything really.
How hot's the plug getting? It's not incredibly hot. I was worried that it could possibly overheat. Open it.
Oh, there's a small flame going on in there. Oh, went out. Let's remove that.
Let's take a break.
See what happens.
This thing?
No, that thing in there. That thing's gonna catch on fire.
It smells like fucking shit.
Okay, take it out, see? Okay, and we.
Yeah. It smells so bad, I can smell it.
Let's check it out. Oh,
Step on the gun.
oops. God dang. I blame you for that.
Just
Oh, look, it's coming apart. Taking these mats off. Whoa. Hey, look.
taking apart the wireless phone charger. We're gonna see how. Oh look!
Oh. Oh, look, there's a coil in there. I think maybe you should turn it off. Oh my god, man. Oh, crap.
It's like chewy.
Let's put this thing back in there. The thing's out on it. It's sure to do something this time.
He's stepping on that gas detector. Whatever happened to that other capacitor that you had?
It should be over there still.
We're just... It's literally doing nothing, Christian. It was a failure.
Yep.
You put the light bulb back in?
Yeah.
Damn! Okay, that's epic. That's pretty epic. Oh. I think it exploded.
I think it fell over.
I don't know. It looked like it exploded.
Oh, maybe it did.
Yeah. That was... Wait, stop.
We'll just leave that in there.
Let's get the, Wait! Move, Christian! Screw the plastic rotating disc, it's gonna come off anyway. Screw it! Bring the lawnmower blade, 'cause we're gonna need to get shit out.
Okay, let's see if I can put something else in there.
Okay. Wait. Oh, we're gonna do it all?
Yeah, I'll put this thing back in there.
Whatever happened to that other capacitor?
No clue. Oh, wait a minute, I think I remember. Got it in there or something?
Ooh. Oh, did you put that little... Oh, it's on... It's on fur. Oh, it's a capacitor. Did you put that mini... Oh, or it could have been a mini control board, because you put that in there, too.
No, it's this capacitor here. Still smoking.
Wait, look what I found in my yard.
Another capacitor.
I knew we had another one, but I don't think this was the one we brought out here. That's all fireworks. Unless the microwave just died. Ooh. Ooh.
Here's launcher from
It's like changing colors and crap. I'm gonna put
Put a head gasket in there. I don't see those. They're on 25.
close it. Ooh.
Let's let it catch on fire. We can put it out.
I don't think we have any water back there. This should be a Class C fire.
Well, it's all metal in there, so we should be fine. We just gotta blow it out.
I think I should continue. No, leave it open. I want to show the audience. Say, let's not blow it. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, the roof isn't really metal or anything. Oh my god.
Oh!
Dude, you should. I know, the battery exploded.
It's a battery?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Damn!
I'll throw him in there in front of me.
We're not doing this again.
Why? What? The battery exploded.
Get the put the microwave on a.
Let me see if they microwave.
No! No, Christian! No! No!
No, we can put different stuff in it. No, at least we'll lock this one out. Let me do something. Move. No, no! You need to see better in here. Holy. It's fire explosives. Jesus.
Was it that battery?
Nope.
I think it was the capacitor.
Maybe it was.
It was definitely the capacitor.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it was.
Oh yeah. Or it could have been a battery because I had free batteries. It was free. You were watching this, so you can keep count. Now we're gonna go smash this thing off camera and put it on our scrap pile.
Let's try starting it up.
Microwave?
Yeah.
No, it won't work now that we smashed a big hole in the front.
Yeah, it will. How much you want to bet? There's nothing in it, so nothing to bet you have.
This is a stupid idea. Let's give up. Thank you very much for watching.